Where'd you go? Oh, I see him now. I'm not going any closer because I'm not getting on personal property.
No, those streets in there is not private. It's still public, I assure you.
Alright, I'm turning you back off. Going through. The police. I know it. I'm just out filming. Seen you guys over here, so I checked it out. I don't need to disclose that information.
Okay, just so you know, I'm not a cop. I'm a chaplain, so basically I have no authority, no power, nothing to do. I'm in the
Oh.
So, yeah. So you're like a community lifer, or like...
Yeah, I am now.
Okay, so you're not from around here?
Yeah, I'm from around this area.
Okay. You graduate from Northeast or somewhere else? Or?
Nope. Let's just spread out. Oh, look, there they are.
Who do you call? Call the police.
I sure wouldn't call the cops, I'll tell you that. No.
Yeah, you do, asshole.
You know they kill 1,200 people a year?
Fight my ass. They do not. When you have an issue, you call the cops.
Hey, go look it up.
Yeah, you do.
Go look.
Call the cops when you have an issue.
I don't call the cops, believe that. Never called the cops in my life. You better get in, you're going to melt. Snowflake. I can go live if you want me to. Guess they didn't want none today. Boy, I tell you, I just ran into more snowflakes than I care to count. The rest of you. What's up? Snowflake. Man, we got more snowflakes over here than I care to count right now. These guys think the cops out to save you.
Down till the sun comes up.
They believe in protect and serve, but that's not what they do.
Around the world in a
You
pickup
guys protect them and serve them here. You guys hassle and collect.
ain't going down till the sun comes up.
Well, I won't go back through there by myself again. Good night. I about got myself killed. You're trying to get me killed? You're trying to get me killed? Goddamn snowflakes every fucking where. I mean, Jesus Christ,
The key real quick.